I don't have time more, eh? I don't just want to tell you this before I go today, eh? I don't have time today to spend a long time. I just have to tell you something. Something I want to tell you today, I thank God for his mercy, I got to pray every day, and I thank God for his mercy, That's all I have to say to you. Today is a day I want to tell you. You have to be very careful these days, You have to be very, very careful these days, because a lot of things, is happening, Man, I tell you, I don't know how I have bad luck or what, They have one lady was living here, and she was doing all kind of things. But anyway, we get her to leave, She's out the door, and thing, I said to myself, let me clean out my room and fix all my thing, I broke off my nail yesterday. It was bleeding so bad. Yesterday. I said, okay, I finished all these things, let me go and wax my eyebrow. And let me tell you all something, I had my face covered for a reason, I tell you this, sister, this one gonna make you cry for your mother, I went to the place to do my eyebrow. It seemed like I went to a Chinese boxing ring. I thought I went to a Chinese boxing ring like I was with Tyson or something. I thought I was fighting with Tyson. Hey! I went to the simple place I went to. I tell him, can you polish my toenail over? I've been taking good showers since the lady not here, so my foot is not as dirty. I said, well, since the lady moved out, my foot is not as dirty. So, I've been washing them more now. I feel more comfortable running the water a bit longer without somebody tearing off the door. So I don't need to get the second pedicure and the wash. Just polish my nail. She said $14. She takes some water and she plop and wet up my toenail. She dried them up with a dirty tissue. And then she started to polish. I said, She said, oh, no, that's what you pay for, ma'am. Not like I'm cheap, or remember, I got money in my pocket I could have paid. Anyway, as the next lady, the one lady eyebrow, I've been growing my eyebrow for a while because the last time the same Chinese guy that did in the place, he's a man. He did the eyebrow and he just put something on whop and it didn't stay good at all. And I was like, oh my God. Anybody bread can be sour sometime, but that motherfucker bread smell like shit. And I said to myself, I don't want him breathing. He breathed in my face and he started singing while I'm stopping my bread. And I was like, I don't want it to touch my eyebrows anymore. But yesterday now, the lady that do my feet, I wanted her to do my eyebrow. So the other lady now, she decided to do it, Sister, it seemed like they was setting for me like a goddamn snake, I'm telling you, the woman take a stick and she put the glue and she put it on my eyebrow and she pulled it like she was taking off my eyebrow with the glue itself. And I said, ma'am, and I tried to stop her. And she's starting to scrape that line down with a little bit of wax on it because she don't want to afford to use too much wax. And as she tear the thing and rip it, I can feel my freaking skin came off. And I said, ma'am, my face is bleeding. I feel like my face. She said, no, okay. I said, no, okay. No, okay for me. You tell me, okay, my eye on fire. You tell me, okay, I said, no. She takes some chemical and she put on my skin. And remind you, when you bleach your skin, you can't put any chemical on your skin. Because the strong chemical your skin is not agreed, it's going to burn the shit out of you. She put the goddamn chemical on my eye and poking it with a thing. I said, no, don't. Where's the water? You can't put water. I tell you, my ass was on fire. I was like, how the hell I get my eyebrow to commit suicide? My eyebrow let me commit suicide. I'm dying through my eyebrow. Bitch, you could die through your eyebrow, I'm telling you. When I look up and look in the mirror, I see Satan was looking back at me. I said, Lord have mercy, the devil is looking back at me. I look in the mirror, I look like a lost frog. Look like the Chinese that was frying the frog and they dropped in the hot aisle. Oh, God. And I said, oh, no. And I mean, it was completely ripped off to the flesh. You can see where they still put this shit. You can see it. Oh, God, I tell you, these fucking Chinese fuck me up, my niggas. These Chinese fuck me up, my niggas. Look, man, I didn't want to come tell you like this, man. I was trying to get it better, but the pain is whipping my ass. Oh, I didn't sleep last night. And the eyebrow was even done. I got to shave this one off myself because the way she had it, I could not let her touch it anymore. This shit was on fire, my niggas. You know what fire is? This shit is hell, motherfucker. You don't want to go to hell when you're feeding a burn motherfucker like, I gotta repent. My ass gotta be good, somebody. My ass gotta be good. The Chinese said for me, that bitch hated me from a long time. I could see in her eyes, like, bitch, I got you now. I jump up. I gave her $14. She gave me like $6. She was standing like she thought I was going to pay for my eyebrow. Like she really thought I was going to waste my goddamn money, girl. I tell you, I talk on this. I don't want to cry, but I talking, you know. Yeah, I'm talking, my niggas. Oh, man, I tell you, it's all red and ripped off. It was worse last night, man. It was worse last night, my niggas. It was worse. That shit looked like Gully Bop wife. Like, oh, God, I don't want to touch it. Like, Bop was beating me, too. You saw that shit look? Like, Bop beat me. Oh, fuck. Yeah, fucking Chinese, they don't like you. I'm gonna stop doing my nails. I'm gonna stop doing my eyebrow. I'm gonna just shave the shit myself, polish my nail. My nigga, that's my lesson learned. I tell you, I got pain. I got pain. I remember. Trust me. No, man, I wanna come on like this for niggas. I love y'all, you hear me? I live at team, y'all keep your head up, be strong. You know, niggas trying to say, hush me out, take out my phone and hush me the fuck out. They always lie and hush me out, man, but I love you, man. But look at this shit, man, I'm not playing, I can't touch it. A bitch walk up to me right now, put her fingers on the scotch, but like, you bitch, I don't like you, I'm done. She ain't gonna do nothing more than just fucking touch her hand or something. I'm like, bitch, I don't like you, you know. I'm like, oh God, you know, that shit's still on fire, my niggas. Look. There's no color on my face, nothing. That's from it. I don't know what the fuck you doing all the way down in the eyebrow to even touch. So you decide you want to just beat me up like a Tyson in the ring. Chinese motherfucker got my eyes like this. The Chinese beat me up, my niggas. That Chinese woman beat the shit out of my goddamn eyes. Oh, my husband beat me. Look at this shit. My husband beat me. Look at it. My husband beat me. Oh, you husband beat me. Look at my eyes. Golly, my fire beat on me, eh? Golly, why you beat on me, eh? Like that, Golly. After me flying so far. Like me never hear about the war. Why take up too much from me head like 7 porky young? I'm a come because I know 7 porky all in a. After the man, you know, olive food sweet, you know. Olive, the cooking soup now. For ungrateful is a bitch, everybody want to take olive. You see, olive, the wood they run out, the wood will catch them on fire. Aye. Look how he beat me unto me, aye. Yes, I don't have any money to eat. I beat me, aye, so I need me money. And beat me, aye. Call the FBI for me now. Tell them, say, the American citizen. I'm a commit, yeah, man, I'm your husband. I'm the money out of Jamaica, the FBI. FBI beat me, aye, look. Aye. Yeah. But I love you, but I beat me, aye, so see. I love you, but why you beat me, aye? Me, I can't see nobody, I get after this, you know. Nobody, me, I can't see me, I blind to rats. I'm gonna feel for the wood, them after we can't find the wood. I'm gonna feel, come here, I smell. But I see you, see. Me now, but I go answer, you know. Come in, what's me head not right. Me know me head never come good yet. Yes. Yes, I use smoke crack on me. I throw it a sherry then. Oh, you know me smoke and me, I get a sherry girl. Well, you suck me big toy, throw me at the 69. Oh, you beat me, I fuck. You beat me, yay. I don't want to get me up. Is coming up? Oh, God. Lord have mercy. I can't put on the rubbing to come now. I've got to slow down the process. Beat me, yay. Bob. Papa Roma. But with the room, I got the girl them smell like fish and tuna. But with the room, I got the girl them smell like that fish and tuna. Yeah. And the Chinese girl I fight me over Bafina. Look at me, I swear, Chinese girl told me over Bob. Boop, boop, you want to fuck with Bob? Boop, boop, na me, a Chinese girl. See, I said it. She want blind me so me can't see. But me can't feel. Yes, I love you too. But this shit is not a joke, man. Thank God I saw some here cracking and cocaine to come in the was around. But then I realized, say, so it's me, I go and I'm to myself, say, you know what? Do you know my husband, they beat me, they go color me here if you match me, because if you match up with him, make it look like a makeup on me, I done pink, me ras. Mr. Ras, that's why I put in my car and roll them. Why not? Car because of him match me, God, the gone bad. The Chinese woman decides that she going mess up my thing. And then match the hair for go the eye. Might as well. Yes. He might beat me. I'm your husband. Yes, are you? You never catch me nobody, you know. And I'm not telling no about saying catch me with body. Not no go so. Don't catch me with nobody at all. I'm not behind the fence. I'm not behind the fence here. Gonna be attacked, gonna be attacked. I want to put me in jail. Soon enough, you're gonna be locked up, but soon enough, you're through the door now. So you see, me don't wanna lock up your husband in a car. I got something I can't see him through the wall, so me I beg on the door and you know yeah. Don't worry about them, man. Girls smell like saltfish and tuna. Don't worry about the rumor. Oh man, I'm telling you. China man want to cut me eye, no dog. I said, why, girl? Why you want to cut me eye for? What me do, no? I'm gonna so wicked and parasitical ways. I'm bad 9 and 10. They want to lock me out. Hello? Hello? How's why you beat me, my friend sweet, you're jealous too, boy. But when you get pea soup, and you over Brooklyn, you never be good at that. Why? Yes, man. I love you to your ear. But that's why I don't know what happened to me, So I can't go and make me them rest in peace. And me love on it too. Hello, me love on you there. Mwah. Make the eye them breathe, now they want come. Boy, this is unbelievable. But why you do me eye so papu? I'm the husband now. I do me eye so. Come pick me up, FBI. Come here, go down there, man. We're going to look for him. Go look for him, yeah, man, Kayo. Me, I'm married him, I come and love him, and look at me, oh, man, me call on social media right now, but you know, cause guess what? I have to put my husband far. This is another one in the mansion, and this is me and him this time. Oh, yeah, you motherfucker. I'm gonna touch the yay, me crack all. Me mother one born me a blood clot. Blood clot. Ay, 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 ay. Can't touch it, you know. Can't touch it at all. Don't touch it. Dun, 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 dun. Can't touch this. Dun, 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 dun. Can't touch this. Can't touch this. Dun, dun, dun. I love you all. I'll see you later. Gotta get my eye healed up. Yeah, one day mama big thinking all the thing. Me afraid I don't know. No, it's like a corruption blood clot.